Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a poll on Tumblr. So let's get started. At first, make sure you are logged into your Tumblr account. Now go to Dashboard to create a new post. This is where you will find poll options. Now from here, click on Text Post button. In the text post editor, you will find several options. And here is the poll options. Click on this. Now you can create your poll. Enter your poll questions. This will be the main question to ask your followers. Below your question, create a list of poll options. You can add more options by clicking here. And you can also set the poll durations 1 day to 1 week. Then click on Add Tags to help people find your post, and you can add tags here. You can also set the community level from here. Once you are satisfied with your poll, click the Post button to publish on your Tumblr blog. Once you are satisfied with your poll, click on the Post button to publish on your Tumblr blog. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.